All right, day 2 of decimal review. Today we're going to be dividing decimals. Okay, today we're going to continue reviewing dividing decimals and practicing adding, subtracting, and multiplying fractions during small group and independent work. Okay, and you will be using either the concrete models or the virtual base 10 block drawings, or the place value chart to help you with the task that you have to do for today. Okay. Look at the boxes. You have A, B, C, and D. Which box doesn't belong and why? Pause the video. Write down which box you think doesn't belong and why it does not belong. All right. Yesterday, we continued our division of decimals using base 10 blocks and base 10 block drawings. Well, today, boys and girls, we're going to review and practice dividing decimals, but today using number lines. So, a picture, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. On the following page, I'm going to show you an image, and I want you to write an equation, including the answer, to match what is happening in the visual. So here's our visual. Write an equation that would match this visual. Pause the video. Welcome back. Well, if you look at this video, if you look at this picture, you can see we start at 0 and we go all the way to 1 6/10. And then if we look at the top, it's jumping 2/10, then another 2/10. And if we look above it, we count all of the 2/10 that were grouped. We will see that the division problem would be 1 6/10 divided by 2/10 equals 8. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now it's your turn to try. Using a number line, solve the following situation. Mrs. Smith has 3 3/10 pounds of M&Ms. She wants to evenly split the M&Ms between 3 bags. How many pounds of M&Ms will be in each bag? Now remember, yesterday we talked about the reasonableness of this. So you have to think reasonably. If I have 3 3/10 and I'm going to split it between 3 bags, I'm going to start thinking, if I remove that decimal, I have 33 divided by 3. Do you know what 33 divided by 3? Okay. So let's do this. I want you to set your timeline up, and your number line, I should say, not timeline, your number line, and I want you to start at 0, and I want you to go all the way to 4, but we're going to stop at 3 3/10. So start with 0, 0 1/10, 0 2/10, 0 3/10, 0 4/10. And we need to think of how we could show on a number line 3 3/10 put into 3 bags. All right, pause your video and create your number line and come back with an answer. All right, I hope you wrote everything down and put it in your notebook. Please put in the chat what you wrote in your notebook. Okay. Today, you will continue to use the base 10 block drawings and the number line to divide decimals. Okay. Before you go, I have one last problem that I want you to think through, and then I want you to share either in the chat or with a friend how you came up with your answer. So here's your exit ticket. Miss Brown has 1 and 5 pounds of M&Ms. She wants to evenly split the M&Ms between 3 bags. How many pounds of M&Ms will be in each bag? Think about the reasonableness. I want you to think about how many does Miss Brown have altogether? I want you to think about how many groups are there, and that will help you to determine how many are put in each group. All right. When you are finished with this problem, please go to your teacher's e-class page, click on the math link, and you will continue to practice reviewing decimals. Have a great day.